Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video Queen Methalite, Royal Wedding and New Rule. Queen Methalite married Prince Philip of Belgium in 1999. Their wedding was a grand and joyful event. From that moment, she stepped into real life with dignity and grace. As a young bride, Methalite quick adjusted to her new duties. She balanced her role as a wife, future queen, and later a mother. Partnership in toilets, Methalite and Philip built their marriage on respect and teamwork. They appear together at royal events, state visits, and public ceremonies. Their partnership is clear. Philip was Methalite lane and strength, and Methalite's post sport Philip leadership with grace and wisdom. Their marriage is not only personal but also professional, as they represent Belgium together with marriage life with family. As husband and wife creative a warm family life. They have 4 children: Princess Elizabeth, Princess Catherine, Princess Emmanuel, and Princess Eleanor. Methalite is deeply devoted to her family. She is often seen gardening and her children with love, teaching them all of kindness and service. Their marriage is rooted in its family values, showing a balance of royal duty and private love. Challenges and support viewers. A royal life is not always easy. Royal life is not always easy. There are public pressure, responsibilities, and high expectations. But Methalite and Philip face these challenges side by side. She has been a steady source of support for her husband, especially during his path from crown prince to king. Their marriage shows strong in facing challenges together, becoming king and queen. In 2013, when Philip became king of Belgium, Methalite balanced the first Belgian-born queen as queen and king. Their marriage entered a new chapter. They share responsibilities, travel abroad for developments, and stand together as symbol of unity for the national. Their bonds give to their role as leaders and as a couple. A marriage of love and duty. Over the year, Methodist beliefs have shown that love and duty can go hand in hand. Their small gesture, teamwork reveal a true bond. Their marriage is not only personal journey, but also a partnership dedicated to the village and peoples. Together, they show that a strong marriage is built on respect, care, and shared purpose. Viewers and viewers, Methalite, elegant, royal style. Queen Methalite is now for her elegant fashion. Her style is classical, graceful, and always appropriate for royal life. She wears dresses and gowns that highlight her royal rule while also showing her warm personality. Her outfits reflect dignity, but also a touch of softness. Legend designer Methalite often sport village and fashion designer. She choose local talent to promote to her country creative. This makes her not only stylish but also Otis. Her her outfits become a symbol of Belgian pride on the world stage.